help our listeners to better understand, especially males, to understand how complex the female system is.
The age of menopause is reducing, Clinton, interestingly.
I mean-
Average age was 52. It's now come down to 46. So the age of menarche, that is when the girls start having their menstrual cycle, basically meaning that they have the capacity to bear children, that starts much, much earlier now. So maybe about 20 years ago, the average age of a girl starting her menstrual cycles would be maybe 15.
Okay.
But now it's as young as 9.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Do we have to adapt
It's
to?
a part of evolving system. Now there are a lot of theories to it, including the possibility of adulteration of food, hormones in the poultry,
Right.
etc.
Lifestyle.
Yes, lifestyle. This entire complex system that you said, the female reproductive system, is all handled by the hypothalamus. It is basically the main conductor of the entire hormone system. So the hypothalamus decides when you want to eat, when you're hungry, when you're full, how much your body temperature should be. It will decide your stamina, your capacity to run and work. And it controls the ovaries. Any imbalance in any of this will change the menstrual cycle. So you'll see many women who are not sleeping well, doing rotations of night work and disturbing their nocturnal cycles, will have a change in their cycle or sometimes find it difficult to ovulate regularly. Same also, a woman who's eating too much, putting on too much of weight, can have an imbalance and therefore end up with problems. Similarly, an athlete who maintains their weight and a very lean body and their very vigorous training also makes them almost to a state where they may not have menstrual cycles at all during their vigorous training period. This hypothalamus is what changes at puberty, which then leads this little girl to end up with regular menstrual cycles. When the body weight reaches that particular level is one of the signals for the hypothalamus to start changing the way it's behaving and therefore triggering egg release from the ovary.
I'm concerned about their starting ovulating the age of 9.
The first few cycles need not be ovulatory, but they do start menstruating regularly or irregularly for a few years. But whenever we find the girls maturing before 9, say less than 8, 9 to 12 is the average when they usually do. But if they do it earlier, we call it precocious. That's something abnormal and needs to be looked into.
Is it a global phenomenon or just
It's a global phenomenon.
complex system is getting more complex?
It's, yes. True.
Yes.